So today on this how-to video, I'm going to show you how to remove the hard drive from an iBook G4. So let's see here. You want to flip it upside down, take your large flathead screwdriver, turn that clockwise, unhinge the battery. There are 1, 2, 3 screws in there that must be removed. So take those out. Alright, so those are out. This one should be out soon. Okay, the other will fall out as things go on. So, we have some Allen wrench screws here. Must remove those. I'm using a Torx head, but it seems to fit. Not always, it slips a little, but it gets the job done. Sometimes you gotta use pliers to really get it out of there. Now don't use the pliers unless you really have to. It kind of chews up the screw a little, and we don't want that. We're trying to do this as clean as possible. There we go. So, those 3 screws are out. Now, there's 1, 2, 3 Phillips screws in there that must be removed. A small flathead usually takes those out right away. Alright. So the easiest way to get this spread apart is to grab from the side down here, and you can see that it kind of bends in. You can grab that, pull that out, and you just kind of have to force the whole thing there. And that's not a useful piece anyway, so you can just trash that. You just gotta bend it. Oh, there we go. That can be put back, don't worry. And just, you know, if you don't get all the screws out, it's fine, because you can always wrench them out later with your fists. There's 1 screw in there that's right underneath the space bar on the keyboard. Just stick your screwdriver in there and pry that sucker out. There you go. And I didn't do a very good job taking this other screw out, so I'm going to pry it out too. Alright, so our drive is underneath this shiny piece here. I call this the tin can, because that's how I open it. You got to wrench it open like a tin can. There you go. There you go. There you go. That's the easiest way to get that out. And then you just take your flathead and stick it somewhere in here and just pry this thing out. There you go. There you go. And look, no pens were even bent. So, to put this back together now that we have our drive out, let's assume you wanted to put a new one in. You just stick it in there and it'll be fine. It'll always work as long as it's within proximity of the pins. Just close this whole flap down. If any electronics snuck out, just stuff them back in, and then just close that. It'll be fine. The space bar fell off, but they always go right back where they were. And then there you go. Oh, don't forget about your battery. There you go. Hope that helps you out.